There's a small episode in today's trip. We intended to shoot the QAI 2000, the world's largest mobile crane, which is worth over 100 million yuan. But it was bought by a boss from Hebei province. Fortunately, an old friend called me and asked me to shoot a new product. How new is it? It is said that product never came to the market before, and today is its debut. Good morning, Manager He.
Hey, since you're here now, let's go and look at the crane.
Let's go to shoot. Dear bosses, I just kept you in suspense for so long. Finally, we can catch a glimpse of the product. As you can see, the product behind me is very special. It says the chassis of a crawler crane and the superstructure of a truck crane. Now please let Manager He introduce this ZCT550V for us.
Hello everyone, I'm He Wingxin. ZCT550V is a retractable boom crawler crane developed by Zoomlion. Based on years of technical accumulation and modular design experience of 4.0 products, it has the strongest lifting performance, high reliability, cost advantage, intelligent control, and convenient transportation.
Manager He, why a retractable boom is designed for this product?
Zoomlion has always given priority to the needs of customers. The reason why it is designed in this way is that it has the characteristics of flexible transformation of a retractable boom of a mobile crane and traveling with load of crawler crane. Thus, it is very flexible.
It is really different, Manager He. Now please introduce the lifting performance that everyone pays great attention to.
ZCT550V has the 5-section, 42.7-meter U-shaped main boom, which is the longest in the industry. The max lifting moment, up to 2,160 kN, is the highest in the industry. And the comprehensive lifting performance is higher than that of the competitive products in China. The whole crane has a dead weight of 62.7 tons during the operation of the basic boom, and a movable counterweight of 20 tons and a body weight of 4 tons.
With such a strong lifting performance, what kind of engine is it carrying?
As for the power system, it adopts Weichai WP6 engine. Driven by such a power system, the crawler has a strong road adaptability with a great ability up to 45%, which is suitable for complex lifting environment. It can operate easily in locations such as soft and uneven operating side and narrow space.
Since ZTC550V adopts retractable boom, is its operating efficiency much higher than that of the lattice boom crane?
Definitely. With fewer assembly parts and convenient transportation, the owners don't need to spend the cost of lattice boom transport. In addition, the counterweight can be self-loaded and unloaded, which can realize rapid self-assembly and efficient putting into the side.
It's really very efficient and economical. And now, let's take a look at some highlights in details of ZCT550V.